Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi for tonight's video. This is going to be for Cup, so Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. If you have been tagged in this video, then that means this may also resonate with you. Okay, so for paid personal readings, just send me a private message. Okay, the message for you is Four of Pentacles reversed, let go. Ano yung dapat mong i-let go? Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands is fighting for something na kahit nahihirapan na. I'm hearing even if it's taking a toll na sa health mo, like na dahil sa stress nagkakasakit ka na, parang gora pa rin. Pero the cards is saying you need to let go of it na. Especially Pentacles is about money, presence, yun nga yung health, and also marami ng bagay, pera, or oras na supposedly para sa ibang tao, para sa ibang bagay, ang nasayang because of this thing. So, don't feel guilty letting go, especially if lumaban ka naman talaga para ma-retain or may paglaban kung ano man tong issue mo. What you need to focus on instead is Five of Pentacles reversed. Yung mga gusto mong gawin na ikaw lang mag-isa, yung hindi na kailangan ng validation ng ibang tao, hindi na kailangan ng opinion ng ibang tao, doon ka na mag-concentrate. Especially if this is something na connected sa Nine of Swords reversed. Yung talagang confident ka. Kasi parang itong pinaglalaban mo, this is something na nagtitrigger ng anxiety mo. And again, baka nga yun nga, it's taking a toll na sa health mo, nagkakasakit ka na. Try focusing on something na easy lang. Komportable ka, hindi ka nawawala ng ganang magtrabaho, tsaka hindi ka nakakasakit, hindi ka nakaka-anxiety attack. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome for you is Two of Swords reversed. Merong mafa-finalize na decision regarding sa personal goal mo na to, na parang ang bilis lang. Maninibago ka, unlike dito sa pinaglalaban mo na parang ikaw lang yung nakikipaglaban. Walang tumutulong sa'yo, parang ikaw na sumalo lahat. So, pagpahingan mo yung sarili mo, huwag kang maginti. Okay? Anyway, that's for you. And again, for paid personal readings, just send me a private message. Okay? That'll be all. Bye!